I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure this out even though no one's in here. Okay. Ah, there's people now. Unless if that's just me. Hopefully it's not me. And I don't have my webcam open. Of course I don't. This one. Nope, not that one. Oh, it's because I'm just being dumb. There we go. I know, right? Imagine that. Okay, well, you gotta be kidding me. Is my bitrate that low? Shouldn't be. It should be fine. Well, okay. As one person leaves, I'm not surprised that there's not many people in here. But yes, I don't know what to say. I think the shadow that's in here probably. Oh, there's two people now. Interesting. Okay, I'm hoping that you can hear me. Hopefully. OBS is telling me yes, so I'm hoping that's a yes. As I'm looking at Discord. Alright. So I know YouTube is probably going to why am I looking over here? I should be looking over here. So I know YouTube is actually going to be making this into a video for me because it's going to record it or whatever it does. So I know there's going to be people that are going to probably watch this and probably have some questions or basically follow through or follow along. Basically, this isn't going to be. I'm not going to make a full doc in this live stream. The main reason is because it takes forever to make one. So I'm not going to be making like a full doc. I'll probably be making like a basic structure and then I'll make another live stream to finish this one off. So if you have questions, and you join the live stream, just leave them in the live chat, or if you're in the IHOPS server, then put in Discord, and I'll probably will see and answer it. But yes, so I'm just going to start doing it and just ask away once you have a question or something. I will just be using this as the database. I'm just going to close the source. That should be enough for the tab header. There we go. I'm not gonna be talking too much. I'm sorry about that. It's just that uh, whenever I'm doing something, I can't really multitask that much, like talking and doing something at the same time, because I'm already struggling doing that right now. Um, Sprites and then tier. Okay. Import range. It needs to be raw B2 through B or C. And it's going to throw in, okay, it didn't throw the thing. Import range raw. I don't know if people, if you guys know what the import range does. You probably can guess just based off of seeing what it does. Import range just basically gets data from another spreadsheet, basically. Nothing too fancy, it's just that's what it really does. So we have this, so I need to just group this up. Group, okay. Do that. Okay, I need this to actually be through B. One name. Yeah, it's fine if it's names. Pokemon sprites. And this actually should be in the C column. Pokemon tiers. This should be in the D column. And then Pokemons, which is going to be all of them. That's going to be through B2 through D. Okay, there we go. Okay. I need to move this over because it's seeing my mouse. Okay. So we do this, so we're going to just quickly make a basic border. No, that should be there. I messed it up. There, and I can't have it there. Let's do this. Let's do. How does that look? That kind of looks bad. Orange. God, gray looks the best for borders. I don't know why. Okay, I'm just going to do that there. Let's do it here. We're going to resize. It's going to be 20 for right now. Let's make this be. Oh, that works. It's going to be 10. Come down here real quick. Just make a quick border basically. That's the wrong color. It should be this one. I don't know why I put that there. Interesting. Should be that. Yeah, that's right. There we go. Just going to delete that. And then just going to delete down here. Hopefully that one person isn't me. Watch it just be me. Okay, I'm gonna resize this to be 20 and this needs to be 10. There we go. That will work. And then I'm just going to quickly this needs to be changed right here. That actually doesn't look too bad. Should probably add borders to make it a little bit popped out. Need that right there. There we go. That looks better. Okay. So we have that. So I'm going to call this be the border template. Why did I do that? I don't need this. Do need to duplicate this. So I'm going to duplicate that. It's going to be called the welcome page. So I'm going to bring back the guidelines, or the grid lines. Let's do it right there. Put the logo right here. If you're watching this and you like this kind of theme, you can copy it if you want. I'll probably link this in the next live stream, the finished product of this, if you want it. Let's do over here maybe the staff team, and then we can do do owner here, owner, and then admin here, and then have one massive section for the mods, because usually that's the biggest section. So moderators, do it like that, and then we can have maybe could add the license, but that would be a smaller section. I think this is good right here. Let's quickly add borders. That looks better. Okay. It's gonna be 20. I'm not trying to make it too fancy. Right here is gonna be 20. 20 always looks good. Okay, and then we can have sections here. Okay, and then you can just do there. Actually, I can just copy and paste that over actually. And then put that at the bottom there. I'm gonna move to have mods here. Okay, and I'm just going to quickly change we're going to change that. I like play. Play is always a good font. Probably for the welcome, and then these will probably be, I think 18 works, and then this one will actually be 24, and I'll change the position, be like that, and actually that would probably be better at that. That will look better. Okay, and then just color some of these. Let's do, actually let's do that, and then have a light text. How does that look with no grid lines? My screen's very bright, so, and I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's hurting my eyes. I should probably change to the white here. Let's do that. I like that idea. So, so why am I doing right there? No, well, that's fine there. I don't want that there. Okay, then we're gonna change this be. That'll look probably better. Yeah, that looks better. I should probably change this though. And then these as well. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, so we have that now. Let's duplicate this. I'm gonna have like rules. So let's add grid lines. And try it as many rows and columns as I can, just in case if I do need them, I don't have to recreate them and mess up with the structure and everything. Okay, put that there. This would be rules. Okay, so the rules, I'm probably going to just do it like this, and then have like general rules. I'm not going to fill the rules in because I'm not going to be using this. This is just to show how you would do this and answer some questions. And then we would have rules going down. Actually, how many is that? I did not know you can do this. Interesting. So I can manage the name ranges, apparently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually 9, so 3 and 3 then. Let's do that. There we go. I also should probably change this color. Okay, it's going to be right there. So it's now easier to see the grid lines because I don't. Okay, should also probably. Okay, there we go. And then we can just, copy and paste that over. This would be like battle rules. This one will be like draft rules. And you can change it to be whatever you want. And then let's change this. Do 24, and I'll have to change these to be 12 or something like that. we're going to change this one to be 36, and then this one is going, these are going to be like 12, and then you can just do whatever you want. Actually, these need to have it be wrapped, so there we go. And then I'm just going to copy that. There we go. Hold on. I'm going to resize this to be 20. Yeah, that will work. There we go. Remove the grid lines. That'll look good. Change these colors. And then change these. These are going to be more whitish. Yeah, that'll look good. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so now I need to basically make a tier list, basically. So actually, no, I need to make the coaches page, because then I'm going to integrate the coach's name into the Pokemon that they drafted on the tier list. So I actually need to do the coaches page first. Okay. Some people might be asking, why am I only doing 14 when there's like 16 rows to make it easier? It's because sometimes with borders, if you make a new column, it actually sometimes messes with the borders and it'll put it in the wrong place. I had that problem multiple times before, so I just do it without touching wherever the border is. I think that's good for coach's page. I should move this over. Actually, do I want to do coach's page? I'm actually going to do a roster page instead. So the roster page is going to have the where you draft the Pokemon, basically. There we go. Okay. That'll work. So, how am I going to do this? I can do it vertical or horizontal, because they both work. With horizontal, if you're wondering, which is when you have your list going down, it's easier with getting the data for like the Pokemon that you drafted, mainly because you don't have to transpose it and everything. But when you put it to the side, like no, this is horizontal, the other way is vertical. So vertical is what most people do. I done horizontal before, and I do like the style of it, because with horizontal, what happens is you can put your like rounds here or your tiers here, and then you can have all of your coaches going down, which actually can look nice. And then with horizontal, you would do like a 2x8 with that. So I'm actually going to probably do, let's do horizontal. I don't see that many draft docs with horizontal. So roster, Let's just quickly, let's format this real quick. 36, okay. Okay. So, let's see here. So I need to have, let's do 12 Pokemon draft dogs. So we're gonna have the coaches data here. Let's quickly make like a mock coaches data. So let's have like the logo be this right here. Then we'll have like a team name. I'm actually going to do it this way because it's actually easier doing it. You'll see what I mean. Coaches showdown time zone. We can have acronym, and then if you want to have divs, you can do divs. I'll do that. Okay. And then we'll have like it be like this long, so I'm going to merge them horizontal. Okay, then I'll have logo here. So at this point, this is going to be the coaches data. So coaches, and then from here it's going to be the round, so this is going to be roster. So then I can do right here, it's going to be the round. This is going to be 1, and then we're going to quickly do it over here. Then what we're going to do is call on this +1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm just going to copy that and then Control-Shift-V. So then I'll have the formulas there. Okay. And then what we're going to do here is have the name here. So it would be like Pokemon name. And then we'll have Sprite here. So Sprite. And then it would be points here. Okay. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in. And this actually needs to come over a little bit. Okay. So now what I need to do is if air index. Then I need to do is Pokemon sprites. Then I need to match that. So I need to match. It should be K18, I believe. Right? Yeah, that seems about right. Then I need to match that with Pokemon names. I want to be search mode 0. Okay. Okay, there we go. So if I change this to be Lopunny, it should pop up Lopunny. Okay. Then if air, and then I do index Pokemon tier, and then tiers. Then I do match that. So I'm going to match K18 with Pokemon names. Search mode 0. There we go. There we go. Now I am actually going to change this over here. We're going to make this be a data validation. It's going to be Pokemon names. There we go. So now if I were to do a Bobbin Snow, there we go. Let's format this real quick. Okay, I'm hoping people can hear me. Hopefully, I'm talking kind of quiet right now. I noticed that. We're gonna make this be play. It's gonna be yeah, 11's fine. That's fine right there, right there. Okay. I also should increase their sizes. So this is going to be more 150. Most Pokemon's names are going to fit in 150 unless if it's like very long, then you would it would probably need to. Let's actually let's wrap this around. Okay, so if it's like a Lunala, if you're doing it like Ubers, it would be like the Necrozma Dawn Wings or Duskmane, you would wrap it. It'll go down. Okay, and then there we go. And then I'm going to actually, wait, I did that wrong. Okay, I'm going to quickly do some conditional formatting. Let's do color scale. Boop, and we do a boop here. Done. There we go. So we have that. So if I were to go to that, it would be color scale. Perfect. Okay, and then, so this is going to be, so I'm going to call this be, no, not, I don't want that. I want to define the name range. You'll see why I want to do that. Actually, no, I don't think I need to. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to just do here. Okay, do one here, and then I'm going to go with this thickness, put that right, not there, right here. And then I want to change that to be there. Okay, there we go. So if we have like team 1, team 2, not team, what am I thinking? Coach 1, showdown 1, EST T1, and an A. If we were to do that, we should probably format this a little bit. And there we go. Okay, that'll work. Okay. I also should probably format this as well. Let's be 18. Let's be in the middle. Then we're going to tilt this. There we go. This is actually going to be going that way. And this is actually going to be, hold on. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. There we go. We're going to add a conditional formatting, color scale, is it getting to it too early? It seems like it is a little bit. Let's do it right there. Let's see what kind of color we're working with. Let's do, that looks a little bit bad. What about no, like, oh god, that color is horrible. That looks better. And then this would be like that. And then I'm going to change this to be a lighter gray. There we go. Should also format this one. And that would be like 14 maybe. There we go. Perfect. That works. go. Yeah, that'll work. Now the real question is, do I want it to be flush to each other? Like, kind of seems a little bit crowded. Yeah, that seems a little bit crowded. So I'm actually going to move that down. But that now looks a little bit spaced out. That looks better with that spacing there. I like that better. So let's do that. So this is 1, 2, 3. Actually, hold on. Actually, I have a better idea. So I'm going to copy this real quick. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. I think actually this looks fine. Having it like this. That looks fine. It's actually going to make it easier. Okay, and I'm going to delete that real quick. Okay. So this is going to be 1. Actually, I can just do this. Hold on. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, this is 16. You may not understand what I'm doing, but trust me, this is actually going to make it easier. Transpose. Actually, no, wait. Hold on. What did I do? Okay, actually I need to do transpose here, transpose, then split, then repeat, and it's going to be, actually need to do an array formula. Or can I just do repeat and then do this? And then I'm just repeating that to be, how many times? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times each. And I do need to add a delimiter here. So I'm going to add the utilda. I'm going to add the delimiter as the utilda. Of course it's not going to do that because it needs to be an array formula. And I did that in the wrong place, I believe. Or did I? This might actually need to be... might actually need to be here. Array formula. It works. I know it. I know how to do it. It's just I don't remember which order it is. Because it's repeating. Hold on, I need to get a resource here. Hold on. I see. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Now, what I can do is copy this and then Control Shift Z. There we go. Trust me, this is actually easier than just manually typing everything in. Okay, so team and this is going to be coach. Can actually just, copy and paste this in, because this is going to be showdown. No, this is showdown. This is actually coach. There we go. This should be EST. It's going to be T. And this is going to be A. Look at that. Oh, wait, what? What? There we go. See? So simple. There we go. Can remove that there. There we go. So now if we were to do like a Bob and Snow Omega, there we go, and it would be going through down here. So the main reason why I'm actually like doing it, I did it this way, is so then I can abuse name ranges and actually do a key value search, which that is not what I wanted. I want defined name range. This is going to be coach's key, and then I am going to do coach's value, which is going to be the column next to it, so that is actually going to be H column. There we go. So now I can go into sources here, and I can do here is copy that there. This is going to be coaches. What I need to do is logo. Then I need to do here is team name, coach's name, showdown, time zone, and acronym, and then div, and then this would be wins, losses, and differential. Okay. So now, actually so right here, I'm going to just do here is first get all of these. There we go. Ooh. Oh, right. That might be a problem. Because I can't technically do that. What's going to be the easiest way? I'm probably going to be doing it this way. It's going to be basically, probably going to have to do it this way. Should be transpose. There we go. Because then now what I can do is now do transpose and then rosters. Get that. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now what I can do is actually query, and I'm going to do actually is going to be, ooh, wait, I just realized something. Actually, I can just go over here, go back to rosters. I'm going to do coaches data here. Coaches data. Then go to here, do query, coaches data, select H where G is going to be the header basically. There we go. And if I were to go over here, this is actually going to be coaches. Showdown, time zone, acronym, division. And then we just, yeah, that's perfect. Just going to add a border here. Just going to group these together. So we do group. There we go. Then we do here is drafted Pokemon. And we do is Pokemon drafted by. Then we do games played, kills, deaths, and then the differential. Okay, there we go. How long has this been going for? Almost an hour. Perfect. Okay. And then, so what we're going to do is actually open this up. Array formula. And then this is actually not going to be array formula. Transpose, split, join. And then we're going to do here's an array formula, repeat. Right there. We're going to repeat that about 12 times. I do need to add a delimiter. There we go. Perfect. Now I can make it. I'm only going to do half of it in this stream and then do the rest later. Hopefully that's alright. So tier list. Oh, why did I do that? This should be the band list. Or border template. And then duplicate this actually. And then this is going to be the tier list. This one needs a lot of columns and rows. I think that's enough. Okay, right there. Let's do a little bit more. There we go. That should be enough. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do here is the band list. Okay. Of course, I didn't realize that until now that it didn't have the border at the top here. Why is it doing that? Interesting, that's weird. I might just be blind, but I think it's there. Okay. So the band list is first, so let's see here. So that should be good. Okay, so banded. This is gonna be the Sprite and then the Pokemon. Resize that to be 50. Resize this to be 150. Okay. So if air array formula, and then it's gonna be the VLOOKUP. I'm only using it because it's going to make it quicker, like just make this stream go quicker. So it's going to be searching basically through F9 through let's do 200 for right now. That's okay, yeah, that's correct. And then this is going to be in the range of Pokemons. Then I need to do is the index of 2, or yeah, seems about right. Yeah, that's right. This is false. Okay. And if air query, this is gonna be in Pokemons, select B where B is equals to, and it's going to be 0. Okay. You know, I can actually finish the tier list if I do it this way. Yeah, if I do it something like this, it should work. Let's do one real quick, see how many rows this is. It's gonna be switching there. And it might go passive, of course it does. How many does it need? It's gonna be at that, but I know tier 2 is gonna be more, so I think it goes over to here. Which is unfortunate, so there we go. I'm only going to need to add a little bit more. That should be good. Now let's try this again. right here. Let's check tier 2 real quick. Tier 2 is not that much. Okay, so that's not right. Oh, I know why that's being weird. I know why. This should be actually at H. Actually, not H. This should be I. Let's just lock the rows, not the columns. I guess we'll need to get down to 387. I don't know why that didn't lock. So this is going to be 18. Actually, no, I didn't gauge it, so. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, there we go. Actually, I need to copy this real quick. Oh. There we go. Actually, no, not that. I don't need to do that yet. I need to extend this a little bit more. And then I need to do is drafted by. So drafted by. Okay, so what this is going to do is saying who drafted it. So now I need to come over here, not there, here. I'm gonna make a name range here. Drafted by. I spelled that wrong, of course. Drafted by. And then drafted Pokemon. And that's going to be cube column. Not there. I want to be right here. If air. So if air array formula VLOOKUP. Search key is going to be basically it's going to be at I9 through I387. Then it's going to be, oh wait, it was going to be source. Okay, I did this wrong. Okay, hold on. I'm going to do exit out. I did this wrong. That needs to be at Q. I actually need to change that name to be draft data. There we go. If air array formula VLOOKUP. And then you can, it's going to be I9 for I387. And then it's going to be draft data. I want 2. It's going to be false. Okay, so then now I need to come back over here real quick. And then what I'm going to do here is going to let's make one to the left. No, not that. To the right, maybe? Oof. There's no good way of doing this, isn't there? Actually there is. There we go. To the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10, 15, 16. Actually, I don't need to do that. So this is 10. And I just need to do one more. To the right. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to resize these to be at 100 because no one cares about these columns. Oops. Resize this to be 100. Okay. Actually, I should probably put some Pokemon in here so that I have something to go off of. Okay, there we go. So it's working. You may not understand this, but I do, and you'll see what I'm trying to do. Let me actually quickly there we go, so I have something to go off of. Actually, should probably add one. There we go. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is basically make it like a key and value system, which I did over here. I did a key value system. If you don't know what I mean by key value, basically I'm saying that here is the key. This is what I'm going to be using to search with, or search by using to search for something. And then my value, which is what's being hidden by the key. So the key basically is the name, and then the value is whatever is the data. So I'm making like a key system over here where each line, so this is the key, and then this is the system, or the value. So then that means I can basically just do a query statement, but then I realized that I can't because of how this is going to work. So I need to actually, I might have to do transposing it down, maybe? Because if I were to add more Pokemon, because it would be going that way. Unless I do... yeah, I think I have to do transpose. I think that's the easiest way of doing this, actually. Actually, is it? Because then I can get the data, transposing it down, but that means I have to do it for each one, which... let's just do it, and who cares? So, 1... Okay. This will be hidden, don't worry. Alright, so roster key, and then this is going to be the roster, so the roster value. Okay, so now I can come over here, and then basically what we're going to do is if error transpose index, and then I need to do is the roster value match with the R2 with roster key 0. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. And then we'll just do this. There we go. It's nice and simple. Okay. Now I'm going to come back to the roster. I'm going to group these and hide them. Actually, you can just hide them. There we go. Like as if they never existed. Okay, there we go. We're going to remove grid lines. Okay, there we go. Go back to tier list. Okay, so here we have it here. So I'm going to need to change this. So we're going to add Abra to make sure everything works. There we go. Everything is there. Perfect. Did out. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the whole purpose of me doing it that is so then I can just copy and paste it. As you can see, so 17. Even though the formatting got messed up, sometimes that happens, I noticed. So 16. Actually, this is 15. Actually, no, it would be a great idea. Okay, hold on. Actually, I have a idea. Okay. It may not make sense to you, but it makes perfect sense to me. That's probably my favorite phrase. Okay, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Hmm. Yeah, that's right. There we go. There we go. Just taking some time for some reason. Oh. I'll show you. I'm right clicking right now and nothing's happening. This is a big problem. As you can see, there's the saving problem, like I was saying. That happens a lot. I do believe there's my menu now. I do believe it's just because it has way too much happening at once. Because like right now, it deleted everything and now I'm right clicking, it's not working. Which is unfortunate. Seriously, Google Sheets, get your act together. Seriously. It's kind of dumb. And I can't refresh because I have to do everything all over again now. No, I don't want that. This is kind of getting annoying. I swear to God. Watch. Let's see why it did not save. As you can see, Google Sheets does not know what to do with this life. And you may be saying, you should probably wait a little bit. But you see, the problem is, it should be done by now. Are you kidding me? Okay, now it wants to work. Let's see if it actually wants to work. I'm right clicking. Nothing's happening. This is just great. Oh, okay, now it's gonna work. Now it's deciding to actually work for once. See how long this is going to last for. Okay. There we go. It's all formatted wrong, but it's fine. I'm going to be done. I'll pick this up on in another stream that's probably going to be more reasonable for time so people can actually watch it live and everything. So yeah. I will see you guys later.